As office workers, we often face long hours of sitting, staring at screens, and limited physical activity. This leads to problems like back pain, eye strain, fatigue, and even stress. Over time, these issues can affect our overall health and productivity. But don't worry, there are simple, yet highly effective ways to stay healthy, even while you're at your desk. Here are 10 tips that will make a big difference. Tip 1. The 20-20-20 rule for eye health. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This reduces eye strain caused by constant screen time. Advantage: keeps your eyes healthy and prevents digital eye strain and headaches. Tip 2. Adjust your posture regularly. Make it a habit to switch your sitting position every 30 minutes. Even better, stand up if possible. Poor posture leads to back and neck pain, so frequent adjustments can alleviate that. Advantage: reduces back and neck discomfort, promoting better spinal health. Tip 3. Desk stretches every hour. Stretch your arms, legs, and back at your desk. A few shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and leg extensions can improve circulation. Advantage: improves blood flow, reduces muscle stiffness, and keeps your energy levels up. Tip 4. Hydration reminder. Set a timer to drink water every hour. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining focus and avoiding fatigue. Advantage: keeps you energized, improves mental clarity, and prevents dehydration-related headaches. Tip 5. Incorporate standing meetings. Whenever possible, opt for a standing meeting or stand during phone calls. This allows you to stretch your legs and reduce the effects of prolonged sitting. Advantage: boosts circulation and can improve focus during meetings. Tip 6. Use ergonomic equipment. Invest in an ergonomic chair, keyboard, and mouse. These tools are designed to promote comfort and reduce the strain on your body from repetitive tasks. Advantage: decreases the risk of carpal tunnel syndrome and other repetitive strain injuries. Tip 7. Take micro breaks. Every 30 minutes, take a 1-2 minute break to stand, stretch, or walk a few steps. These micro breaks combat the negative effects of sitting for long hours. Advantage: enhances circulation, reduces fatigue, and helps reset your focus. Tip 8. Optimize your desk setup. Ensure your computer screen is at eye level, and your feet are flat on the ground or on a footrest. Your chair should support your lower back. Advantage: promotes better posture and reduces strain on your back, neck, and shoulders. Tip 9. Desk yoga. Incorporate simple yoga poses that can be done at your desk, like seated spinal twists or wrist stretches. This helps reduce tension and improves flexibility. Advantage: reduces stress, improves flexibility, and keeps your muscles active. Tip 10. Healthy snacks at your desk. Keep a stash of healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or yogurt within reach. Avoid sugary or processed snacks that can cause energy crashes later in the day. Advantage: keeps your energy stable, enhances focus, and prevents overeating junk food. Impacts of following these tips. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll feel less fatigued, experience fewer physical aches, and improve your overall mental clarity. Your productivity will increase, and you'll feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Not only will your physical health improve, but your stress levels will also decrease, leading to a more balanced workday. Remember, small changes can make a big impact on your health. Try out these tips, and you'll see the difference.